Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought that I would do another clean with me video. We just finished a pretty big home reno project. We just redid all the floors in our house. Well, most of them. We're still in the process of finishing the bedroom ones, but we just redid all the floors in like our living room, dining room, and kitchen. So the process of that made our house a disaster, and I have been looking forward to cleaning it for several days. It's just super dusty and there's just like tools and so many random things everywhere. So I thought I would take you guys along and do a clean with me after renovations. I'll probably also be doing some redecorating and reorganizing things as I put things back in their place. And if you're new here, make sure to check out some of my previous cleaning videos. So let's get started. I'll show you the state of my house right now. Honestly, I think we did pretty good considering we were doing all the renos ourselves. It's been crazy busy. We've been up till like 11 or 12 every single night working on the house after working all day, so we've been exhausted, but I feel like we did a reasonable job keeping the house like pretty tidy throughout the process, but it's still a mess. So I'm looking forward to have it all cleaned and put back together so I can enjoy my new floors. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, as always, make sure that you subscribe to my channel as it really helps me to grow this channel and get these videos out to more people. Okay, so here's the state of the house. This room is not so bad because we did tidy this up last night so that we could put the rug back, but I was just like working here this morning, so I'll just tidy that up. This table is where all of our tools are. There's 2 shop vacs there because obviously we need 2 shop vacs. So I'm gonna go through these tools. We still have to finish the trim over here, this whole side of the house. So some of the tools are gonna stay here, but we don't need everything, and it doesn't need to be a disaster like this. And then over here, I took down the curtains that go on these windows and I washed them because they got super dusty. So I'll probably have to iron these because they get super wrinkly when I wash them, but I will iron and then put these curtains back up. And then this shelf just kind of ended up being like all random crap while we were doing renos, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. Probably clean it off because it's probably covered in dust, and then I'll like redecorate it. And then over here there's just a big pile of laundry. This is like sheets that were covering the couch so that the couch didn't get super covered in dust and stuff while we were doing stuff. And then the kitchen is probably the worst. We just like neglected it while we were working on the house. So it needs some attention. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the state of things right now. Okay, and I figured I'd show you guys a bit more of a close-up of our floor. So we chose this laminate color. We really wanted something that would hide dirt and hide paw prints because our dog tracks a lot of dirt into the house. We are so happy with how this turned out. And then we did the trim like a shade darker in like a beigey gray color. We're gonna redo all the trim around windows too, but one thing at a time. But I'm so happy with how this turned out. And in case you're wondering, this is the laminate flooring. I will link it in the description box in case anyone's curious. I've had a lot of people already ask me for the details. We live in Canada, so I don't know if the same floors are available at Home Depot in the US, but we're really happy with it. It feels like it's really good quality. Obviously, we haven't lived with it for that long yet. And then we chose to do the same flooring all through the house. We're gonna put a piece of black trim up right there because there was like vinyl flooring that we peeled off. So it looks really gross there, but we're just gonna cover that with a piece of black trim. Hi, puppy. But yeah, we chose to do the same flooring everywhere. We haven't done the bedrooms yet, like I mentioned, and then we still need to do all of the trim on these doors. This is all the rest of the flooring sitting here. And then this flooring in our office plant room isn't the worst thing ever, but it's only in this room. So we just want everything to be the same. This room doesn't even really have flooring. This is what was under the carpet. This is super gross. But yeah, same floorings all throughout the house and I love it.